Hello guys, this is Varun from Race Dynamics. Today I'm here to introduce another amazing product for your motorcycle, that is the harness. This is a universal wiring harness for auxiliary lights. Made of certified grade components like automotive grade wires and nylon braided sleeves, the harness is suitable for any auxiliary light and fog lamp available in the market. Here are a few features of the product. No splicing, cutting and joining existing OE harness. Comes with water resistant connectors and is applicable for motorcycles, scooters, ATVs and snowmobiles. It includes high quality fuses and relays and comes with a universal 18 months warranty. The harness is fully plug and play when connected with the switch. The harness will be available in all leading motorcycle accessory stores and online platforms. For more details, please visit www.rdessentials.com. Next, we are coming up with a detailed installation video for your convenience of the harness. Stay tuned.